Background beat by.
Right guys, RCADDICT. So following on from my dynamic idle video, I'm going to tell you today, and you are going to understand what a Betaflight setting that is never really talked about actually does, and it's called anti-gravity.
Welcome back to RCADDICT. We are at the Betaflight clinic for weak PID stabilizers. Today it's Betaflight anti-gravity in 5 minutes.
So let's get straight to it. Why have I given a picture of a female nurse injecting the magic I-term formula into a flight controller? Well, think of it like this. If your drone's PIDs are the muscle, anti-gravity is like a quick shot of adrenaline that hits only when needed.
Not tonight, you're not on the list.
So in simple terms, when high throttle changes occur, the I-term is multiplied to keep a locked-in feeling when the PIDs lower through the use of a thing called TPA breakpoint. This can include punch-outs, power loops, so just to confirm, anti-gravity boosts the I-term when fast throttle changes are detected. It has been introduced to mitigate or to stop the craft nose tilt on throttle changes. Anti-gravity helps to increase smoothness and hold the attitude of the craft on manoeuvres with fast throttle changes like boosts and power loops, like I've just said. So if we look at TPA breakpoint, it's something that we don't really alter on our drones, but you can see that as the throttle increases, the PIDs decrease, and the default is D, but you can have it as P and D. I absolutely love this graph. Look at it. You can clearly see that our stabilising force, the I-term, has risen right to 125% at the breakpoint at 1350 on the throttle. And you can also see the dip of the P and the D balance, 65% and 50. Excellent. So if you have a really stiffly tuned quad, really locked in, but when you punch out you're getting oscillations, it might be worth going up on your anti-gravity a slight bit. Then we can double, triple, quadruple our I-term to fight against the wind. And off-centered centre of gravity.
Man, look at that stabilized bitch.
Oh, just realised I had chocolate on my eye. Oh, I just ate a bit of a cake. Anyway, listen guys, simplified, kind of quick, straight to the point. Hope you've understood it, and you know, next time we'll do a different one. Alright, don't bump it up too high, right? Don't just go up in steps, because you'll get a flyaway or it'll hit the ceiling or something. Alright, so be careful. Also have a look at the dynamic idle video. I know it's got a lot of views and I'm really grateful for that, because you know, I love making these videos, but it's kind of like, you know, I lack the effort to kind of do things, but when I get into it I love it. So take care.
RCADDICT thanks all who watch, like and sub. Please comment and ask questions.
Questions.
Special thanks to 4K on the beat for the backing track.